this video, I'll show you how you can use a couple of delays instead of reverb as the main vocal effects in a mix. This is a song called Grow Old With Me from Greg Adams and East Bay Soul that I mixed for their album That's Live. Darryl Walker is the vocalist, and he has such a great voice that I didn't want to bury it in reverb or too many other effects. Using delays on effects channels allows me to control the separation between the dry vocals and the effects. Echo Boy from Sound Toys is by far my favorite plugin for delays and echoes. It gets used on pretty much every mix I do.
More to say. Luck gave me the words. This is what I said to her. Grow old with me. Be the first sight I wake up to see. Grow old with me, my love.
The first echo I have set up is a short delay that I use just for the ambience, and it's set at a constant level throughout the whole song. It's a 1/16th note delay with a small amount of feedback set through the diffuse setting, which was modified to my taste. This creates a nice dark and short ambience for the vocal, and the 16th note delay keeps it separated from the dry vocal sound. I set the sends and return level for this effect so it's just barely audible as ambience in the mix rather than as discrete echoes. You can hear the effect much more clearly when you solo it.
Ooh, we stayed up all night and we talked until the light, with so much more to say. Luck gave me the words. This is what I said to her.
The second Echo Boy is set for a cleaner echo at 1/8 note value with a little bit of feedback. I use this delay mostly in the choruses and to also bring out the tails of some of the longer sustained vocal notes. I use automation on the FX send for this longer echo to bring the levels up during the chorus and down during the verses, and to slowly ramp up the level of the echo on held out notes.
Luck gave me the words. This is what I said to her. Grow old with me. Be the first sight I wake up to see. Grow old with me, my love. Grow old with me. Be the first sight I wake up to see. Grow old with me, my love. I could feel it instantly. I was gone and so was she.